Having the right supplies in your vehicle can make all the difference when emergencies happen. Check out these 10 critical items to keep with you when you're on the road. First up are jumper cables. These allow you, with the assistance of another vehicle, to get some juice to your battery and get it going. Or invest in a portable car battery jump starter. That way you can start your vehicle on your own. The second thing to keep in your vehicle is a signaling device. This could include a reflective triangle set, LED glow sticks, or flashing emergency road lights. And speaking of lights, the third item is a flashlight, a portable lantern, or a headlamp, maybe some combination of several of these, that will allow you to illuminate surfaces should you need to work on something or see what's around you. Item number 4 to keep in your vehicle is a first aid kit. Emergencies seem to go hand in hand with cuts, scrapes, and bruises. Come prepared with a well-stocked kit. Halfway through the list at number 5 is the ever important food and drink. You'll want to make sure that you include enough for several days, thinking about how many people regularly travel in your vehicle. Look for shelf-stable items like the bottled waters and things like protein bars or packages of crackers, nuts, items like that. Number 6 on the list to protect you from wet weather is an umbrella or poncho should you need to be hands-free to work on something during an emergency. Item number 7 is cold weather gear. Blankets, gloves, coats, scarves, other cold weather gear is absolutely essential when you're in a situation where your vehicle is disabled and there's no heat source, or you're having to be out in the elements to deal with your emergency. Item number 8 to keep in your car, truck, or SUV is an ice scraper. The last thing you need when there's an emergency is for your windows to ice over, especially if your vehicle is turned off, limiting your visibility and possibly making the situation even more dangerous. Number 9 on the list of emergency supplies to keep in your car is a multi-tool. That way you have pliers, wire cutters, screwdriver, small knife, and more in one foldable tool. Number 10 on the list is an essential to keep communication flowing in an emergency. An external cell phone battery charger in case your vehicle becomes disabled and you can't charge it that way, or even if you're trying to preserve gas and not run the vehicle in an emergency. Now that you've seen 10 emergency supplies to keep in your vehicle year-round, hop on over and check out more of my life tip videos.